the modules page has, ooh, notices, that's nice. Has a more help link next to things, which is nice to teach you the help system. We have a couple of new modules. One is called Simple Test, which is neat because what it will do, and this is mostly for developers, but potentially also for people who are building sites, it runs a series of automated tests, which are basically written in code. But normally when you're testing a module, it's like, okay, let me click, 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 and let me click, 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 and then let me click, okay, that didn't work, how about click, 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 and it's basically like a 25-minute operation. Simple Test lets you write down those steps that you're doing in code so that you can rerun them over and over and over and over again. So if you already have tested to make sure that something works, for example, creating a node works, then you can just keep rerunning that test to make sure that no matter what you're changing in Drupal at any time, you know that you haven't broken anything. And this is especially cool because it's really revolutionized the way that we do development. Because if you go on any of these issues in the queue, well, that's a 6 issue. Simplified block rendering, sure. So if you look at something like this, you'll see there's an automated testing bot that will come and tell you this patch doesn't work anymore, you need to fix it. It will tell you if it broke tests, it will tell you if it failed to apply it. And this is really important for people who do core development because the old way to find out if a patch didn't work anymore is to wait for a human being to stumble across it in amongst the other 5,000 issues and try it and post back manually and say it doesn't work, which might be 3 or 5 or 6 months after the fact. So that's been really, really cool.
Right now, the author of the automated testing framework is about to deploy the second version of this, and I would like to encourage everybody to visit testingdrupal.org. There is a chipping widget. Please use. Thank you.
Why would they use the chipping widget? What will the second version of the testing framework let them do?
Well, if you want, I can. So currently, this is truly awesome. However, PHP being PHP, there are situations when a patch passes on a local computer and fails with the testbot. Currently, the testbot does not report what failed. You don't get. You only get a report that it failed, but it doesn't give you a very detailed report. That's one thing that we are going to fix. Another problem is that it's currently MySQL only. This, currently, the way things are, there are 2 people for PostgreSQL and 2 people for SQLite who occasionally run the testing suite and file patches to fix the things that other people have broken. This is not going to scale. The second version is going to run every patch on all 3 databases. So if you submit a patch which breaks SQLite, you will know it even without ever touching SQLite. And because you will get a detailed report, you will even know what failed. And on a technical, even more technical, more like implementation detail, is that it's going to be a lot easier to manage the so-called testing slaves. Because currently the way it is that, and it's going to stay, that we have this testingdrupal.org site, and various people donate boxes, and the testing site sends them patches to run them. It takes time, it takes resources. It's going to turn around. Anybody who has a box can ping the testing site that